Hello students, I hope you all are fine at your home and you are enjoying your studies. So, for the second semester exam, today I am going to start a new syllabus or second semester exam syllabus. It is chapter number 8, India. In this India, we will study about the physical and political divisions or the physical structure and the political structure of the India. So in this chapter, I just want to explain you first. This chapter is completely based on maps. If you understand maps, I hope the whole chapter is very easy for you. If you not look at the map, if you not read, if you not understand, if you not practice the map, it is very difficult for you. So it's my kind request, it's my humble request. First of all, you have to see all the maps, their locations, their all the political and physical divisions. So it is very easy for understanding the whole chapter. And even I can say that if you understand the map, the whole chapter you can understand because this is completely map based chapter. So now let's start. So you can see this is the structure of India or this is the map of India. First of all, this is divided into two, political and physical. So what is this political and what is this physical? Political, it means the border which is assigned, this is the border, you can say that this is a border assigned by any country, or there is a one border which is assigned by a particular country, just like this is the border of India. Okay, this is the border of India, and that's why this bordered area is called the India. Okay, but the physical division, later I will explain you. In the physical division, there are some other physical structures just like desert, mountains, plateaus, the river plains. So these all are the physical division. So basically we studied about these two structures or the two parts, physical division and political division. So first of all, let me explain you the political division. This is the political map of India. In this you can see that earlier there are 29 states. You know what is the states? Okay, and 7 union territory. This, what is union territories? This sorry, these union territories are the governed by the the central government. Okay, and this state is governed by the state government. Okay, this is the basic difference between. And why these union territories? These union territories are very small, they cannot form any particular state, that's why they are union territories. Okay, I'll also explain when I will explain the chapter, but now you understand. Earlier there are 29 states and 7 union territories, but this is the earlier. But now what is the right now? Right now there are 28 states and 9 union territories. Why? Just let me explain you. So first of all, you have to see where is what state is located. If you understand, so it is very easy to understand the whole map in other chapter. First of all, you know very well about the direction. It is the east, west, north and south, you know very well. And this is the central part. Okay, so if you know the direction, it is very easy to understand where what state is located. So I just start from the above. Now above you can see there is a Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh state earlier. Okay, but now this Jammu and Kashmir is a separate union territory and this Ladakh is other separate union territory. That's why earlier there was 29 states, because this Jammu and Kashmir is divided into two union territories, Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh union territories. Okay, I hope you clear. So these are the two states, two union territories, and others are states. Now see how many 28 states are there. Now you can see there is a Himachal Pradesh, then Punjab, then Haryana, then Uttarakhand. This is complete Uttar Pradesh, then Bihar. I hope you can see properly. And here these are the northern states. In these northern states, here there is a Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, this is Arunachal Pradesh. This is Assam, then Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, then here it is Sikkim, and this is a West Bengal. You can see here that is the West Bengal. It is also called Bengal. Okay, then Bihar, then Jharkhand, then Odisha. I hope you can see properly. If you cannot, you can refer your book. In book you can easily find, you can see very properly. Even now you can also see that. Then there is a Chhattisgarh. This is our Madhya Pradesh where you are living, where you reside. Then Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Goa is very small. Okay, Goa is also smallest state. Then this is the Maharashtra. Here you can see the Gujarat. Okay, then Rajasthan. You can see this is the Rajasthan. So these all are the 28 states. Okay, and then union territories you have to locate because it in this small map you cannot locate. Here you can see Daman and Diu, Dadar Nagar Haveli, and here is Cherrapunji. Okay, these are the union territories. Okay, and downside there is a Maldiv, the Lakshadweep. Okay, and here is Andaman Nicobar. So these all are you can see in your map. And for the proper understanding of these all 28 states inventory, there is a list is given. In this list you can see it is table 8.1, in which you can see these all 28 states, their capital also you can learn, the major cities where in which state it is located, the population density, it is very important. Already we have studied the chapter population density. You have to study of this, which is the highest populated, which is the lowest, and the number of district, how many districts in that state. And these are the union territories. There are total 9 union territories. You can see their names and what is its capital. Okay, what's its population, and these two population you cannot find. Why? Because it is recently formed. Okay, yeah, after census 2021 you can find these all. Okay, and these are the districts name. You can find it here, these district names. So by this table, if you learn this table, you can understand easily properly. So I hope you clear what is the physical map. I already told you it is decided by the government, just like the central government decided the border. And the another thing you have to understand, which is that there are some neighboring countries. What is the neighboring country? Just like at your home there are some other neighbor persons in your lane which are living near to you, in front of your house also. So these all are the neighbors of your house, or of they are your neighbors. Same like that, there are also neighboring countries. Neighboring countries, it means by which we share the border. Okay, India share the border. Now you can see that here there is a Pakistan. Okay, this is the Pakistan, which is the neighboring country of India. Then after that there is a China. You can see that there is a China. Okay, here that the second country. The Nepal, which is also bordered with the India, that's why the neighboring country Nepal. Then Bhutan is also the neighboring country. Bangladesh, this is the Bangladesh, which is the neighboring country. This Myanmar is also bordered with the India. Then Sri Lanka is not a neighboring country, but this is border with a water. Okay, that's why it is also the neighboring country. So these all are the neighboring countries of India. Okay, which shares the border with India. That's why they are called the neighboring countries. And one more doubt you must have studied, I will explain you in the detail, but you see that the China is having the longest border. Okay, longest border, but it is not true. The China does not have a longest border. Okay, because you can see only this part is having the border. Here the China, that Nepal is there, then Bhutan is there, then Sikkim, our state, is there. That's why the China is not the longest border. The longest border is with the Bangladesh. You can see the longest border with India is the Bangladesh. Okay, so don't confuse, because most of the time you studied or you think that the China is the longest border, but not China. The Bangladesh is the longest border. I hope you understand what is the political map of India. So now this is the political map of India, you can understand. Now I'm come on the physical division of the India. Now what is the physical division? Basically I already explained you what is the physical division. In the physical division, you can see at the physical part, the natural part of India, just like it is the Himalayan part. This is the, just let me clear once again. This is the Himalayan part. This is the northern plain. This is the desert part. These are the coastal plains. This is the Deccan Plateau, the plateaus part. Okay, so this is all about that. So basically there are six parts of India, the sixth division. We can see that the six divisions of India we study in detail. I will explain you, but now in map, if you see, you can easily understand where it is. Just remember, you must remember this both the maps properly, because if you remember these all the states, then you can easily find which state is what kind. Just like if I'm giving one example, the Rajasthan is a desert area. So if you want to, or if the question will ask which state is having what kind of physical division, so you can easily find out it is in the desert area or desert type of land. Okay, same like that Jammu and Kashmir, it is in the Himalayan part. Okay, the Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, it is in the plain area. So that's why it is must for understanding or for the learning that you just locate where the state, which state is where. Okay, so you are very strictly, it is very sorry, you have to very careful for these states. You have to remember these states very carefully, otherwise it is very difficult to understand. Now let me explain you once again the physical division. So first of all, on the above part, you can see that is the above this here, some little part of here also, because if I just show you, the Himalaya is like here. Okay, and it just bend like that. Okay, so but here in the Nepal part, that's why you cannot find this Himalayan part here, so don't confuse about it. It is in the Himalaya and the Bhutan, sorry, Nepal and Bhutan. That's why the you cannot find out the Himalayan part, but it is continuous from Jammu and Kashmir till the Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, and even Nagaland till, but it is in the part of Nepal and Bhutan. That's why it is not showing. But you can see at the according to our states, from Jammu and Kashmir, it is the part of Himalaya, and here in Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, these all are that. So this is the part of Himalaya. Okay, Himalaya is the mountainous part. Himalaya, it means what? Himalaya is the name of mountains, mountain ranges. So this is the mountainous area. Second one, it is the plain area. This is a very fertile plain. It is called the northern plain. Now you can find out which states are in located. It is very easy for you. Okay, so this is the northern plain. Here you can find out that that is the desert area. There is also symbols are given here in the book. You can refer from this. So this is the desert area. After that there is a peninsula area, or we can say that it is the plateau area. Okay, it is a Deccan Plateau also, where peninsula. Actually the peninsula, it means the area which is surrounded by the water bodies from three sides. It is called the peninsular region. But here it is the Deccan region or Deccan Plateau, it is the plateauous region. Okay, the next one, it is the eastern and western Ghat. What is in eastern and western Ghat? Just let me explain you. Actually this Deccan Plateau is like that, this shape. It is in the higher part. This area is little bit higher, and here there is a lower part. Okay, here it is a lower part. So there are some mountain ranges, small mountain ranges are arises from here. The small mountain ranges are arising here. So these in the eastern, because it is here east, here it is the west. So it is in the east part, it is called the Eastern Ghat. Okay, this part it is called the Eastern Ghat, and that is called the Western Ghat, because it is lies in the west direction and it is lies in the east direction. So that's why it is called the Eastern Ghat and the Western Ghat. Just after it there are some small parts. I just shaded na these small parts. This is called the coastal plain, because it is near to the coast. Coast means the sea, the ocean part. This is called the coastal plain, you can see. So after this, remember, this is the Eastern Ghat, Western Ghat. Just Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat, there is a small part you can see also in color. Okay, the brown color shaded by the Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat. After that it is in green color, it shows that the coastal plains. They are the just like sandy plains just near to the oceans, which are called as generally we know that in small part beaches, beach. Okay, Okay, I hope you clear. So this is about the physical map of India. I hope it is also clear. In this, we also see that there are some rivers. Uh, there are some rivers, but let me come on this part. So what are its names? You just have to understand this. Now, here there are two tables are given. You have to see in your book there are mountain and plateaus and rivers. So you have to remember these all rivers and plateaus, which is very important. Just let me explain you these all mountains. First is the Himalaya. Where is the Himalaya? I already explained you Himalaya. In this Himalaya, there are some other ranges. These are called Karakoram range. Just let me show you the Karakoram range, Aravali range, Vindhya range, Kemur. Okay, just let me explain. Let me show you. Here you can see that the Karakoram range you can see. Okay, then here it is the Vindhya range. Then after that there is Satpura range. Here it is the Aravali range. Then Kemur hills. Here you can see there are three ranges: Garo, Khasi and Jaintia, then Naga Hills, then Patkai Boom. So these all are that. Okay. If you will see the map carefully, you can find all the mountain it is. And after that there is a Nilgiri Hills. You can find out in the lower part the Nilgiri Hills. Then Chota Nagpur Plateau. Here the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Okay. Then the Malwa Plateau, it is in the central India. Here it is the Malwa Plateau in the central Madhya Pradesh. Deccan Plateau I already explained you in the central. This whole part it is called the Deccan Plateau. Then Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat I already explained you Western Ghat and Western Ghat. So this is all about the mountains and plateaus. Just let me explain the rivers. First is the Indus River. You can see here there are some rivers. Here it is the Indus River you can see. Then Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj. Then Ganga River, Yamuna River, Chambal River, Betwa River, Gomati, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, Damodar, and here it is Narmada River, then Godavari, Krishna, Tungabhadra. This Krishna River is main river, and then Tungabhadra is joined to it. Then Kaveri. So this is all about the river. Okay. Then there is a Mahanadi River. So this is all you have to remember. Okay, it is very simple. For remember these rivers, it is very easy. Now there is some tricks. Just let me explain you how you remember. Just like these five rivers. Okay, so you just remember in J C Ravi Satluj. किसके जैसी? इनके जैसी. It means in means Indus. J means Jhelum. Chi means Chenab, Ravi and Satluj. So you can remember by this way: in JC, Ravi, Satluj. So you can remember these five rivers in sequence: Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi and Satluj. After that there is a Ganga River. After that it joins Yamuna River. Along with this there are some tributaries: this Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, and then downside there is a Chambal and Betwa. Okay. Then after that in the central India there is the Narmada River and the Mahanadi River. Okay, these are two rivers. So how to remember this? M G K K. M G K K. M means Mahanadi, G Godavari, K Krishna and K Kaveri. Okay. So by this way you can remember this. They are very small. They are very some rivers you can remember very easily. But you must remember. You must learn. Otherwise very difficult to. There are some also other rivers you can find out in your book map. It's just for you. You have to learn, and there is only one way to learn the map. It is you have to see again and again. Don't try to learn in a single day. If you see it and then learn, it is not possible. Daily you just see one two locations, one two rivers, one two mountains, and then very easily without doing anything, only by watching, only by looking, you can remember these all rivers very easily. Okay. So I hope it is also clear what are these mountain ranges and rivers. Okay, it is also helpful for you. Now The last part, if you understand this physical and political map properly, so you can give answer very easily. Just like there are some example, the desert state. Which is the desert state? Now you can give answer very easily. Rajasthan. Coastal states, because I told you where the states are coastals in the coastal areas. If you know, then very easy. Just like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, West Bengal, Kerala, Goa, Karnataka. If you remember the physical and political map, there is no need to learn. Second one, it is the states situated in the Himalayas, just like Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. Then states that are land bounded. What is the land bounded? It means just like Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is not bordered with any ocean, any sea. That's why it is called the land bounded. It means it is surrounded by other land countries, just like other states, land states, just like Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and Telangana. These four are the land bounded. Next one, it is the states that share common frontier with China. We share with the China, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. States that lie in the plains, in the plain area. I told na, in the northern plain. So these states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Assam, and West Bengal. If you see both the maps properly, physical and political, there is no need to learn. Again, I am repeating again and again. Okay, so please, it's my kind request, it's my humble request, you have to see both the maps properly. Then next one, it is the states that share common frontier with the Bangladesh, West Bengal, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Assam, and Tripura. And the island groups, just like Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar, I showed. So in this Lakshadweep island, Andaman and Nicobar, so these both are, okay, these are the island which is of India. So I hope you understand. If not, just comment, ask, I will try to answer it. Otherwise, there is only one work you have to do. Till the next lecture, you have to study map thoroughly. It's my kind request. If you study map thoroughly, then it is very easy to understand the whole chapter. So thank you so much. Do study properly, enjoy study, don't take tension. Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye.